Okay, here are the rules. Only one fruit at a time. Don't get on my other fruit. Yeah. What do you think this is? You think I raised fruit for birdies? His dad was with him, but his dad flies away. You can have that one. It's a small one. Hey, buddy. His dad shows him where the fruit is, and then he's smart enough to fly away, but this guy isn't. Yeah, earlier he was flapping his wings, and that's a sign that he wants to eat, and his dad was feeding him worms. But now, he's eating my fruit. Hey, you need to comb your hair. Yeah. What are you doing, little house finch? Are you just a cutie pie? Are you just a cutie pie or what? Oh, it's hot out here, huh? I got water for you. Uh-huh. Are you talking to me? Yes. Look this way and smile. No? Yeah. Peep. Peep. Look at baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Peep. 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 Can you say peep? You're nothing but a silly pretty. Yes, you're so cute. What's that on your beak? Is that peach or nectarine? Yeah, you're just a silly little bird. Camera's about 6 inches away. Peep! Peep, baby, peep! Come on, give me a peep. You're so adorable. You're so adorable. Yeah, you can have all my fruit. You're so cute. Go find your daddy.